Good morning everyone. Today we will be changing the bulb cover of this 2001 Ford Escape. So we will open the hood and I will show you guys which one we will be changing. We will be changing the one on the front. Remember, this car has a two bulb cover because it's a B6 engine. So we will be changing the bulb cover for this side, the one on the front. So it has two bulb cover, this one and this behind this intake manifold. So we will be removing the bulb cover. So to do that, we have to remove a couple of bolts. I think this is a 10 millimeter. 1, 2, 3. This one also there in the hair, right there. So there's a couple of bolts to be removed. So let's get started. So in order to have an access for the bolts in this side, we have to make some room, some space between this bulb cover and this side. So probably we'll be removing this bolt. Hold on. This one, it's number 8, I guess. Yeah, it's number 8. And then another one here. Okay, this one. There you go. Just 2 bolts. And then we will be there's still another bolt here. So and another one here. 4 bolts. 4 bolts. And then there you go. Now we can get a piece of wood. Then stick it here. Go. Now we had enough space, and also we have to move this coolant hose to have a better space. So we got one there, one over there, and also one over there, and also over here. So let's remove it. So we will be using number 10 millimeter socket. So we will start here. Okay. Okay. 1. Then next is over here. Okay, second one. 7 volt. So move this wood, so you'll be having a room in here. Okay, there you go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 8 bolts. I think that's it. Oh no, there's still more there. 8. Nine. I think there's still a couple more here in the middle. Yeah. Okay. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think it's still one more. Okay, 11. So it has 11. Yeah, 11. I think that's it. 11 bolts. Now we will be removing spark plug coil. Here. Okay. Put right there. Now we can remove this bulb cover. Now we will be removing bulb cover. This is the bulb cover gasket. Okay. Now it's time to clean the surface. So in removing the bulb cover, see this metal here, you have to push this a little bit over there using a pry bar. So I use a pry bar, sneak it here, then just twist it like that. And also this dipstick the dipstick over here. Right here. You have to move these dipsticks forward. Don't worry, you're not gonna break it. Now we will be cleaning now this one where the bulb cover is connected, using just a brake cleaner in a clean cloth. So you will be spending time to do this, so just make it sure it's clean and it's dry. And then also clean the bulb cover using a brake cleaner. Just make sure it's clean and dry. Now we will be putting the new gasket. It's the new gasket. I think this is for the rear one, and this is for the front one. Alright, good. Nice. Then here. So I will be using this Permatex. Just a little, put a little, so it won't fall down. One here, then this one. Just to stick this rubber o-ring. Oh shit, that's a lot. That's a lot. Okay. Oops. Oops, right there. There, here. Okay. Alright, nice. Then also I did put Permatex right here, one over there, right there, and one over there. All the, the connections for the engine. There's like a separation here and also there. So you have to put this. You have to put a Permatex or gasket gasket maker. Now we can put back the valve cover. Okay. Okay, this is the hard part. Putting back the valve cover. Okay. Now, come on. Shit. Shit. Okay. Shit. Oh god. Wow. This gonna be very tight. Okay. More. Oh, there you go. Alright. It's not that bad. Okay. Okay. Alright. There you go. There you go. It's in. So I'm gonna start on the middle. Now I already put all the bolts. Now just tighten it. So I'm gonna start from the middle. Here. Now all the bolts already tightened, and then we will put back spark plug coil. But before that, we have to clean it nicely. Okay. So there you go, guys. Replacement for valve cover gasket for 2001 for the Escape B6 3.0 liters. I hope you like the video. That's all for today, and bye for now.